Dresses. 7 simple ways to refresh your wardrobe with no sewing, just creativity.
Today I'll show you 7 easy ways to transform old shirts into stylish outfits, no sewing required. Ring tie, back to front wrap, cross back cinch, 1 shoulder twist, sleeve corset.
Start by laying the shirt flat and smoothing away any wrinkles. With sharp fabric scissors, cut a wide neckline from shoulder to shoulder in 1 gentle curve. Now, grab the edge and stretch it all the way around. The cotton will roll and give you that effortless finish. Pop it on, let 1 shoulder peek out.
Start by cutting off both sleeves right along the armhole seam. Next, cut vertical strips all the way up each side seam. Aim for about 1 centimeter wide. Pair up the front and back strips and tie them into tight square knots. As you work up the side, the shirt cinches itself into shape. When you're done,
start by cutting off 1 sleeve right at the shoulder seam. Next, take the neckline on a diagonal and trim across to the opposite underarm. Give that raw edge a little stretch. See how it rolls into a clean finish? And that's it. A simple tee turned into a polished one.
Start by gathering the fabric right at the center front. Hold it like a rope. Now wrap the ends around each other and pull through to tie a firm knot. Slide the knot up or down until it feels balanced and comfortable, then smooth the fabric around it. That's it. Secure, easy, and an instant.
for this open side top, start by cutting both side seams right up to the armhole. From the offcuts, slice a few narrow strips. Fold the edges in and stitch to make smooth, sturdy ties. Sew 2 ties to each side, one at the hem, one.
Style is not about following trends. It's about expressing who you are. From effortless everyday outfits to elegant fashion looks, this is where beauty meets confidence. Get inspired, stay stylish, and turn every outfit into a statement. Looking attractive, pretty princess and beautiful queen, go and change the world.
Which look